Hey, what's up everyone? SHB here. So OnePlus's upcoming flagship OnePlus 10T 5G will lack the iconic alert slider. Yes, you heard me right. OnePlus 10T is not going to have a alert slider this time. The company has revealed the reason behind detaching this switch, which also lacks on the affordable OnePlus Nord series. The company says that the decision was made to have enough internal space for the component needed for high wattage charging, large battery capacity, and a better antenna signal. This is not the first time OnePlus had detached the mute button, as we have seen in previous Nord series and the recent OnePlus 10R. OnePlus has also revealed that the OnePlus 10T 5G will not get Hasselblad branded cameras that feature on the OnePlus 9 series and the 8 Gen 1 powered OnePlus 10 Pro. It essentially offers the better color through the camera tuning, and it does not bring a substantial difference. The exact reason to ditch this camera feature remain unclear. The OnePlus said it wanted to offer an ultimate performance flagship smartphone at the device's chosen price point. This could mean that the upcoming OnePlus 10T 5G will be relevantly be more affordable than the OnePlus 10 Pro. Meanwhile, the OnePlus also revealed that the OnePlus 10T will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip and feature a 50 megapixel IMX766 sensor. The phone is also rumored to support 150 watt of fast charging. The phone will also come with a 6.7-inch display. The publication also shared official renders where we can see the rear camera housing black squarish module. The phone will get at least two color options, black and green. It will launch on August 3. Overall, phone looks pretty good and will be a great recommendation if the OnePlus get the pricing right. So that's it for this video. Let me know what do you think about the OnePlus 10T in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video.